YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this for a review, and you guys can order it. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Alright guys, we're in prime time now. We got Black Friday deals coming throughout the week. Cyber Mondays. And then Santa Claus will be here. So this will be a good stocking stuffer for somebody in your family or yourself. It's a quality of life cell phone case. I'm not sure who it's by, but it'll be in the description. But we will take a look. This is for the iPhone 15, I think Pro. Let me get it out of here. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the like button. Much appreciated. I'm losing my voice. It's been a long week, guys. We're almost there. Here we go. Bada boom. How do we get this open? Alright. You got USB stuff down here. Focus. There we go. I lift it up here. There we go. Now we got the goodies out. Okay. Waterproof case. It's always a good thing. IPX4 waterproof for daily use. Still doesn't say who it's from. Mystery. Tells you how to do it. Snowproof. Alright. I'm just surprised it doesn't show any logo of the company. But it'll be corrected though once I get it going. Oh, here we go. Here's something. Outlook. QR code, scan that. Alright. Got one of these. Protector for the lens. Oh, come on now. Here we go. We get a little wipe. Get a little wrist. Alright. Now let me grab it. Alrighty guys, sorry about that. I forgot that it was in my room. We got the iPhone right here. Gotta wipe it down. Nice and smooth with the cloth. So, and there we go. Put it in nice and easy. Fits like a glove. Now you gotta press these down firmly. And you hear it clicking kinda. There you go. And boom, boom, boom. We got it. Nice and easy. I messed up a little bit on the bubble, but that's alright. Everybody likes to bubble these. So there you go. There we go, around the camera lens. Fits like a glove, guys. So this is a nice one to get. You got the volume and all that good stuff right here. Waterproof, so I had nothing about leaking in through the phone. So check them out. Humixx. The link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this. And here's the USB. Bada boom, bada bing. You guys have a good night. Be safe. Take it easy.